Overfishing has to go, hey, hey! Ho, ho! Overfishing has to go, hey, hey!
So we're here today with Extinction Rebellion to highlight the dire state of the seas and in particular the situation with overfishing. So we've had overfishing for decades, it's more or less cleaned out a lot of the ocean, but this year is special because by 2020 we're supposed to have ended overfishing according to the law that we've signed up to. But of course there's no sign that that's actually going to happen. So Minister Michael Creed is going to go to Brussels next week for the annual carve up of fish quotas, but this time we need him to act to protect our oceans for future generations and end overfishing once and for all.
We are calling on Minister Michael Creed, when you travel to Brussels next week to negotiate fishing quotas, remember that this is an emergency. Minister Creed, uphold the law.
We have to get serious about protecting the seas. They're under tremendous pressure. This isn't about just cod quotas and herring quotas. This is a much bigger picture at stake here. The oceans are not just being overfished. We know they're also polluted with chemicals and with plastic. We know they're being acidified. There was a report over the weekend to say that the oceans are running out of oxygen. And of course climate change is making them warmer and making them rise. So really we're facing at the total collapse of marine ecosystems. So we have to look at the bigger picture, and we have to act soon, because if ocean systems do collapse in the way that's looking likely, that's going to have enormous consequences for all life on Earth.